Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious omelet without a non-stick pan. You can achieve a perfect, fluffy omelet using a regular skillet with the right technique. We will cover everything from preparing your pan to the final fold. Get ready to enjoy a classic breakfast dish, even without specialized cookware. Once your pan is properly heated and buttered, pour in your egg mixture. Let it sit undisturbed for about 30 seconds, allowing the edges to firm up. Then, using a spatula, gently push the cooked egg from the sides towards the middle. Tilt the pan to let any remaining liquid egg flow into the empty spaces, ensuring even cooking. Now it is time for your fillings. Place cheese, vegetables, or cooked meats onto one half of the omelet. Continue cooking for another 30 to 60 seconds until the eggs are mostly set but still slightly moist on top. With a gentle hand, use your spatula to fold one half of the omelet over the other. Then, carefully slide it onto your serving plate. For the best results, remember a few key tips. Avoid using too many eggs. 2 or 3 is ideal for a single serving. Keep your heat consistent and not too high, around medium-low. Always use a generous amount of butter or oil, about 1 tablespoon, to prevent sticking. Finally, remove your omelet from the pan when it is still slightly moist for a creamy texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.